How to order shoes from Stockx. So the first step is to simply go to Stockx, and as you can see at the top here you have different categories. So you have sneakers, shoes, you can even select by gender, so you have men, and here you can go with sneakers, shoes, and you're gonna have to simply click on it, and then here you can see different brands. So after you are looking for shoes and you find something interesting, you're gonna have to simply click on it, and then here you're gonna have to choose your size. Now, depending on your size, you're gonna see different prices. This is normal because if a lot of people are looking for your specific size, it's gonna cost more. So usually this one here costs a lot more. As you can see, $300 for these Crocs, and then you're gonna have to simply click on buy, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter some personal information. So here you're gonna have to add your payment method. You can either add debit or credit card or PayPal, or maybe your region has more payment methods, so you can simply click on edit to see it. Then your address, then simply click on review and place your order, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.